In the previous module, we understood about socio-emotional development, some theories and its importance. Also, we understood the practices involved up to 6 months. In this module, let us take it forward and understand the practices up to 3 years. Learning outcome to understand the developmental milestones of socio-emotional from 6 months to 3 years, to gain knowledge of developmentally appropriate practices involved for the same, to apply the knowledge gained to real life situations. Milestones from 6 to 9 months. Shows signs of separation anxiety, will be very clingy to familiar adults, may become attached to specific toys, can understand when said no, able to imitate sounds and gestures and uses gestures to communicate needs and wants. Crying as a form of expression takes backseat as other expression like anger, sad, irritability, joyfulness are also expressed. In short, children are socially interactive, can play simple games. Developmentally appropriate practices. To overcome separation anxiety, make the child feel safe with others. Be along with the caregiver or other adults for some days. Slowly start by not being around for half an hour, then 1 hour, and so on. Never break routine. If there is a necessity to break the routine, do it at a slow pace. Play simple games like rolling the ball and keep conversing. Encourage the child. Set certain limits to the child. The child must gain an understanding that everything is not accessible. Play expression games with the child. Milestones from 9 to 12 months. Shows fear in new situations or surroundings, seeks attention by repeating actions or sounds, can follow 1 or 2 words of direction like come here, no. Child would prefer to be independent and may resist a caregiver's help as well. Child will be involved in solitary play. Developmentally appropriate practices. Prepare the child mentally if the child has to be taken to a new surrounding. Start playing games which has a 2-3 words instructions. Ball, catch, mama where, and so on. Start encouraging the child to do things independently. Putting toys back, learning to wear cap or pants. Allow the child to explore things around. Make toys and other safe items accessible to the child, which the child can use to involve in solitary play. Repeat the actions and sounds the child does. It makes the child feel proud that an adult is copying its actions. Developmental milestones from 1 to 2 years. This stage is also known as the terrible twos. Child may exhibit behaviors like being willful, stubborn, and throwing tantrums. Exploring the environment independently, symbolic play and imitation are prominently observed. Child can be seen involved in parallel play too. This is the time to introduce a child to other children of same age. Parallel play automatically sets in when the child is with peers. Give importance to symbolic play. Encourage the child to imitate. Simple imitation tasks like cooking, dressing up the doll can be played. Following simple sentences is easy at this stage. Hence, involve the child in a simple treasure hunt games, hide and seek, instruction-based activity, and so on. Give a lot of importance to allowing the child to be independent. Allow the child to choose dresses to wear, choosing games, and going around exploring. Milestones from 2 to 3 years. Feeling empathetic towards others, can differentiate between good and bad. Feeling of pride, embarrassment, independence is more prominently seen. Child is capable of showing wide range of emotions. Role play, cooperative play is observed. Change of routine can cause uneasiness. Helping in simple household tasks causes pleasure. Being in the world of fantasy, having imaginary friends are very common at this stage. Seeks attention of adult and striving to please the adult. Stranger anxiety and separation anxiety is reduced. Understanding about the concept of primacy is very minimal. Sense of self is based on what others tell about the child. Ability to control emotions is increasing and outbursts are reduced. Very curious and self-directed. If other child is crying, ask the child to go and stand next to the child and pat the back. The adults can act out also saying, "My head is aching. Will you please stroke my forehead?" All these simple acts can help in enhancing empathy in children. Appreciate the child for all the work he or she does and also reprimand behaviors that are not appropriate. Never tell a child you are bad directly. Start helping the child in learning to express and control emotions as well. Encourage the child to express emotions verbally. Have smileys flashcards and every day play a game of picking one smiley card which expresses the child's feeling at that time. Cooperative play sets in. Therefore, the child must be prepared to handle wins and defeats. Play games with the child where sometimes you knowingly win and lose. Never give in to temper tantrums a child shows when they lose any game. Follow this every day without breaking the routine. The child must understand that throwing tantrums will not help in winning and getting anything. There is no need to panic if the child has imaginary friends. Curiosity and questioning sets in. Make small changes once in a while to arouse curiosity of the child. Allow the child to make mistakes and learn from it. Keep praising and appreciating the child. The child will do the same for others. Teaching good manners like saying sorry, thank you, and please helps in the social development process. Socio-emotional development is very important part of all the developmental areas, as Vygotsky believed that effective learning is observed when child is in interaction with the social world and the adult acts as a guide or a scaffold to help children achieve things which will help in making them feel confident and strong. Socio-emotional development is very important to survive in the outside world. Thank you.